Everyone, in this video, if you are interested to learn change background color in MS Word, then keep watching. So first you need to click on the page color on the menu bar and then click on the page color on the left side. Click on that and here's the different color you may apply on the as a background. And you can see that when my cursor is hover on the different colors, the background color is automatically changed. So for example, you can apply this color, you can just click on that, and if you want to choose your color of your choice, then go to the more colors, and here you can see these are the more colors, these are the standard colors, and here is the customs, and you may apply any of that. And this is the easiest way you can change the background color in MS Word. And if you want to revert back to the default color, then click on the no color and then you will be revert to the default color. So this is pretty simple and very easy. I hope you learned that how you can change background color in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.